Today it is Joshua's choice for smoothie time. Come and check it out on my smoothie station. Hi, for those who don't know me, my name's Karen and I am the host of Thriving Talk, and on the smoothie station, Joshua is taken over and he had the option to choose whatever he wanted, and so enjoy. Here we go.
I picked bananas because I love bananas.
So are you just eyeballing how much you put in?
How
much bananas are you going to put in?
Maybe just that much. And then pick strawberries because strawberries and bananas are good together.
How do those smell?
Not really like strawberries because they're deep freeze dried, but
What do they smell like if they don't smell like strawberries?
Kind of raspberries.
You think they smell like raspberries?
Kind of, but maybe like freeze dried. We're gonna add a little bit more.
Oh.
But I'm gonna actually add more bananas.
Yeah, let's add some more bananas and balance it out a little. Awesome. So these bananas, they are freeze dried. So it makes it really easy for little hands like Joshua's to make something all on his own.
We got wet protein powder.
So we have whey vanilla protein powder from
Whatever that is.
from Booster Juice.
Booster Juice. It's this hard chocolate. Oh, no. So how much do I add?
Usually 1 scoop.
So like this.
Yep.
Now I'm gonna put some ice. Ooh. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some milk. How much do I put? I'm gonna put maybe.
Put a full cup in, and then we might need more milk or water. We'll see what the consistency is like.
I made a mess.
All right. All right. So that's all you want to put in it?
Maybe just one little bit more.
Just so you can have a little color on top.
Okay, to be honest, I'm gonna add way more bananas.
Okay.
There.
Now you need the lid.
Does it sound fully?
Yep, it's good. It's on.
Okay. What are press?
The middle button to turn it on. And then there is a smoothie button. Do you see it?
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Do I hold it or press?
No, just push it once. You can just open the top. Let's take a look and see if it's too thick, if we need to add more milk or water.
Oh, that looks pretty thick.
Why don't you get a spoon and taste test it, because it's always important to taste test.
There's lots of little like chunks of bananas.
Oh, so we need to mix a little bit more.
It's a little bit too much on you.
Yeah, that's pretty thick. It's like ice cream.
Super thick. It's like yogurt.
So we need more water or milk? We didn't put water in, we just put ice. Do you want to put water or do you want to put milk?
Milk.
All right. And is it sweet enough? All right, so just the water. Actually, that protein.
Oh, there's also chunks of ice.
The protein smoothie would make it really thick too. So yeah, you would definitely need more milk.
Okay, so put the spoon down. Oh, I like that much. I don't want to make too much.
Okay.
Okay.
And you'll see if it's the right consistency. All right, it might still be pretty thick. We might still need some more milk. There we go.
Okay, just
Is it still too thick? It's pretty thick.
Okay, whatever.
Why don't you put like why don't you put another half a cup to a full cup of milk in there?
Okay.
Okay.
I feel like it's just making it more like.
Is it really foamy?
It's losing its sweet taste. So.
We can put a little bit of stevia powder, stevia liquid drops in it.
Okay.
All right. So you get some more milk, and we'll add a little bit of stevia. Actually, we're going to use sweet drops. Sweet drops. So you're putting, no, put a little bit more in, more milk. That's not even a half a cup. Like, we need, it's pretty thick, so more. That's close to a cup. Okay. Once you put that in, it's gonna be pretty full.
Oh no, I think it's gonna be too full.
No, it'll be okay. And then put in a little bit of the sweet drops, just for a little extra sweetness.
Okay.
However much of that you want. Good choice.
Since it's like sweetener, it's kind of like sticky. So let me wash my hands. Okay.
Okay. All right, let's pour it into some glasses. And I got sticky drops on me. All right. Do you need help pouring it?
Okay. Oh. It's kind of hard because it's so heavy.
That's probably the hardest part, huh?
Yes, I'll make it both.
All right, that's pretty good. That's balanced.
Oh,
Just got some on the side.
easy.
Ooh. Okay, so this is Joshua's creation, a strawberry banana smoothie with whey protein powder from Booster Juice and a little bit of sweet drops with some milk and ice. So,
Cheers.
cheers! There's lots of banana in there. It's yummy. Oh, I even have a mustache.
Yeah, it's still pretty thick.
Pretty thick, pretty good.
But yeah, still yummy.
It's that protein powder making it nice and thick. Was that easy? Sort of. Yeah, sort of easy. So Joshua can do this, and I bet there's some other kids out there that could do this too. So easy. They're getting good things. Playing in the kitchen with these kind of things under supervision. Blenders can be dangerous, but this can be a fun way to eat well and eat healthy. Thanks for making a smoothie for us today on the Smoothie Station. So if you liked watching Joshua create a smoothie today, if you'd like the smoothie that he created, let us know by liking the video, by subscribing to Thriving Talk, and by sharing it with others. Right, Joshua? All right. Well, keep thriving by eating well, and until next time.
Bye. So delicious.